Welcome back to AS Motor Zone. Today, I am presenting an extraordinary creation in the world of luxury mobility, the Bugatti Hyper Luxury Motorhome concept. This motorhome is designed with the soul of a hypercar and the presence of a long-distance luxury cruiser. It blends Bugatti's iconic design language with the scale and authority of a semi-truck style motorhome, creating a machine that feels powerful, elegant, and futuristic at the same time. Let's begin with the exterior design, because this motorhome makes a statement from the very first glance. The front end carries the unmistakable Bugatti identity. The signature horseshoe grille sits proudly at the center, framed by ultra-thin LED matrix headlights that stretch sharply across the front fascia. These headlights give the motorhome a focused and intelligent expression, similar to Bugatti's legendary hypercars. The front body panels flow smoothly into the sides, creating a continuous aerodynamic shape that looks fast even when stationary. The body is ultra-long and tall, built on a stretched chassis that emphasizes its powerful rear section. The proportions are carefully balanced, so the motorhome does not look bulky or boxy. Instead, it looks sculpted and refined, with smooth, flowing curves and clean surfaces. Every line on the body feels intentional, inspired by high-speed engineering and luxury craftsmanship. The wheels are large and polished with a chrome finish, and each rear axle carries Bugatti branding at the center. These wheels are not just functional, but also part of the luxury design. They reflect light beautifully and add a premium sparkle to the lower section of the vehicle. Wide wheel arches frame each wheel, giving the motorhome a muscular stance without losing elegance. The color scheme is a rich combination of deep royal blue and silver. The blue dominates the main body, while silver highlights the curves and edges. Carbon fiber elements are subtly integrated into the design, especially around the lower panels and aerodynamic sections. This mix of colors and materials gives the motorhome a modern and sophisticated appearance while staying true to Bugatti's heritage. Along the sides, panoramic glass windows stretch across the body, creating a continuous band of transparency. These windows allow natural light to enter the interior and also make the vehicle look lighter and more futuristic. Blue LED outline strips run gently along the body lines, adding a soft glow that enhances the motorhome's silhouette and makes its design more dramatic. The rear section is long and well-defined, supported by the triple rear axle cluster. The back of the motorhome continues the same flowing design language, with slim LED tail lights and smooth surfaces that match the front. The overall exterior feels unified and premium from nose to tail. Now, let's move inside and explore the interior design of this Bugatti Hyper Luxury Motorhome. The driver cabin is designed like a futuristic glass cockpit. The dashboard is wide and sculpted, finished in premium materials such as leather, carbon fiber, and brushed metal. Moving into the main living area, the interior opens up into a refined luxury space that feels more like a high-end apartment inspired by automotive design. Every surface, curve, and material reflects Bugatti's commitment to performance and elegance. The panoramic windows play a major role in shaping the experience inside. They bring in daylight and offer wide views, making the interior feel bright and open. This connection to the outside environment adds to the sense of freedom and luxury travel. Overall, the Bugatti Hyper Luxury Motorhome concept represents a new level of design in the motorhome world. Its exterior shows power, precision, and prestige, while the interior offers comfort, technology, and refined style. It is built for those who want more than just transportation. It is designed for those who see travel as an experience of luxury and identity.
This motorhome stands as a symbol of how automotive excellence can be transformed into a moving luxury space. It carries the spirit of Bugatti into a completely new category, proving that performance-inspired design and premium comfort can exist together in one powerful creation. From its iconic front grille to its flowing rear body, from its futuristic cockpit to its elegant living space, this Bugatti Hyper Luxury Motorhome concept defines what the future of luxury travel can look like. It is bold, sophisticated, and engineered to leave a lasting impression wherever it goes. Thank you for watching AS MotorZone. I hope you enjoyed this powerful and unique motorhome concept. I will see you in the next video with another incredible machine on wheels.